Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are talking about 5 money saving steps. Set savings goal. Eliminate your debt. Pay yourself first. Eat out less. Separate wants from needs. Savings goals need to be set so they don't become a moving target. You should set goals for yourself you believe are achievable. Set a time horizon for when you want to pay off the debt. You may want to start with something small that you can pay off quickly to build your confidence. As you see yourself begin to save money, you become more confident in reaching your goals. Working every day with nothing to show for it can be a drain on your confidence. Start by eating out less 1 day a week. An example, average meals daily cost $12 times 52 weeks a year equals $624 in savings annually. Examples, do I really need that extra pair of shoes? Why can't I drink coffee from home or work today rather than Starbucks? Set savings goals, eliminate your debt, pay yourself first, eat out less, separate wants from needs. I hope these 5 money saving steps have been helpful. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.